Tata Motors has officially launched the internal combustion Tata Sierra SUV in India today, marking the long-awaited return of an iconic nameplate. The original Sierra was one of India's first indigenous SUVs and enjoyed a massive fan following. Its comeback journey began almost 5 years ago, when Tata first showcased the concept at the 2020 Auto Expo. Since then, excitement around its return has only grown. Tata Motors has brought back the Sierra SUV to the Indian market after more than 22 years. The new model pays tribute to the original Sierra's iconic glass roof design, while shifting from the earlier 3-door layout to a more practical 5-door setup. Its neo-retro styling clearly echoes the classic Sierra, especially with the large panoramic glass sunroof and the signature canopy section behind the B-pillar. Despite adopting a modern 5-door configuration, the wraparound glass elements give it a strong resemblance to the original, something that is sure to appeal to both millennials and Gen Z. At the front, it features full-width LED DRLs, bi-function LED headlamps, and vertically stacked fog lamps with a cornering function. The side profile includes the signature Sierra badging, flush door handles, bold character lines, and black cladding. At the rear, the SUV carries a flatter design with 3D detailing, connected LED tail lamps, and a rear spoiler that cleverly hides the wiper and washer. In terms of size, the new Sierra measures 4,340 millimeters in length, 1,841 millimeters in width, and 1,715 millimeters in height. It rides on a 2,730 millimeter wheelbase and offers a generous 622 liters of boot space. The Tata Sierra's interior is fully modern, highlighted by a triple-screen setup that includes a 12.3-inch infotainment display, a 12.3-inch passenger screen, and a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster. The cabin features a black and gray theme with dual-tone upholstery, while the front seats are finished in ventilated leatherette for added comfort. The Sierra offers seating for 5, focusing on space and comfort rather than squeezing in extra passengers. Rear occupants get plenty of convenience features, such as a 2-stage recline function, 60/40 split seats, dedicated AC vents, window sunshades, adjustable headrests, and a boss mode for added relaxation. With 973 millimeters of legroom, 1,004 millimeters of headroom, and 1,415 millimeters of shoulder room, even taller passengers will find the cabin roomy. Other key features include a 6-way powered driver's seat with memory, dual-zone climate control with express cooling, a Breathe IQ air purifier with an AQI display, and an illuminated cooled glove box. The cabin also provides 32 practical storage areas, such as bottle holders and magazine pockets. The boot offers 622 liters of space, which expands to 1,257 liters when the rear seats are folded down. Connectivity features in the Tata Sierra include wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, built-in Mapple's auto navigation, and 5G capability, enabled by the TDA 2.0 electronic architecture. The IRA connected car system offers 75 functions, while the Theater Pro interface provides access to more than 30 apps. Completing the premium in-car experience is a 12-speaker JBL Black audio system, which includes a central speaker, subwoofer, and an integrated soundbar. Tata Motors has built a strong reputation for safety in India, and the Sierra continues that legacy. It comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of active and passive safety features, including Level 2 ADAS with over 22 functionalities, a head-up display, a 360-degree camera, 6 airbags, ESP, hill ascent and hill descent control, emergency SOS features, ISOF IX mounts, and all 4 disc brakes, among many other systems. The Tata Sierra is offered in 6 color options: pristine white, pure gray, Korg cloud, Mooner mist, Andaman adventure, and Bengal rouge. Although many expected a black color option based on online buzz, Tata seems to have reserved that for a future special edition or dark edition variant. The SUV is available in 7 trim levels: Pure, Pure Plus, Smart Plus, Adventure, Adventure Plus, Accomplished, and Accomplished Plus. Tata Motors offers the Sierra with 3 engine choices: a 1.5-liter naturally aspirated petrol, a 1.5-liter turbo petrol, and a 1.5-liter turbo diesel. The 1.5-liter NA petrol engine produces 104.55 brake horsepower and 145 Newton-meters of torque. The 1.5-liter turbo petrol delivers 158.81 brake horsepower and 255 Newton-meters of torque. The 1.5-liter turbo diesel makes 116.38 brake horsepower and up to 280 Newton-meters of torque. Transmission options include a 6-speed manual and 7-speed DCA for the NA petrol, a 6-speed automatic for the turbo petrol, and both 6-speed manual and 6-speed automatic options for the diesel. The Tata Sierra marks the return of a true icon, blending its nostalgic neo-retro charm with modern features, advanced safety tech, and 3 versatile engine options. Ex-showroom priced from 11.49 lakh rupees, it enters the mid-size SUV segment as a strong, value-packed offering. Bookings for the new Sierra open on December 16, 2025, with deliveries scheduled to begin from January 15, 2026. Overall, the revived Sierra stays true to its legacy while embracing today's premium expectations, making it one of Tata Motors' most anticipated launches. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.